All right, so this ed puzzle is about IXL Z.21. The link is on the Google Classroom, and you can look for it by going to Learning, then you click on 8th grade, and then you find the letter Z and then 21. So in this IXL, they're going to give you a graph, which is a line. It has points. And so the first thing you're going to have to do is plot the point. So you're going to put a point where it asks you to. So on this green graph, they're asking for the point to be where X is 4. So X values go like this. And I look for the line that goes through 4 that's on the graph, the green part. So what I can do is, here's the X-axis, here's 4, and I can go up to touch the graph and plot my point there. And then I'm checking, they're asking for the Y value. So Y values run like this, X values run like that. So I see what is the Y value there, and it's 6. And so that's what I type in here. All right, so here the X value is 7. So again, I'm looking for the number that goes through 7. Here's 7. I put a plot the point there, and I check what the Y value is. And so the Y value here is 4. Here they're asking for the X value of 4. So I put a point right here because the X value there is 4. The Y value is 5. And type that in. And so I'm going to skip a level just so I can show you the next part. And here they're asking for the X value of -5. So it's going to be right here. And I'm going to put a point on the graph. The graph is the orange line. Okay, so that's where it goes through -5. The Y value is also -5. X value of -5 again. Sometimes I go up, but the point is that you're going to put a point on the graph. The graph is the color part. And the Y value is 10. Let me skip a level so I can show you. And it's going to be different graphs. It might look like this. So X value of 2. Here is 2. Notice if I go up, I'm not going to be touching the graph, the blue part. But if I go down, I'll be touching, and I'll put the point there. The Y value right here is -1 because that's 0, and then it's -1. Let me skip a level. X value is 7, so going through 7 like this. Here's 7. If I go up, I'm not going to get to the purple part. I have to go down to get to the purple part. Oh, sorry, this is 7. And so the Y value there is -6. Same thing with these, X value of -7. Let's see, does it ask you anything different? Okay, when they say input, they're talking about X value, the independent. So X is -7. Here's -7, there's the point, the Y value is -5. Be careful not to mess up on these. Just do the challenge zone type of question. Same thing, even if the graphs look like this, they're not scary. The same thing. X input is X value, so up and down like this, 5. Right there's +5. The Y value is -2. So that's what you're going to be doing on IXL Z.21. If you finish your work early, you can finish some of the other IXLs or ed puzzles from the last couple weeks.